Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna cook a very easy recipe. This is spinach. It's different from the baby spinach. So this one is stock. I remove the stock. The best way to cook this type of spinach for it to taste really good is by removing the stock. So I removed the stock and washed the spinach. Now in a pan I'm cooking my minced meat. Some they call it ground beef. So I'm cooking it. Whilst the ground beef is cooking, I had to cut my vegetable. There is my spinach. I did cut it into small pieces. Gonna add it later on into the minced meat. Still my minced meat is still cooking there. Gonna cook it for a bit of time. You see how it is looking now. It is well cooked. So after now it is well cooked, I add my onions. I leave the onions to cook before I start adding my tomatoes. So when the mince is done, I'll add my tomatoes. So we'll cook it for a little bit of time again. So the onions now are cooked. I add my tomatoes. You stir, leave it to cook until the tomatoes are well cooked as well. As you can see now, the tomatoes are done. They are well cooked. They are well mixed well with the onions. I add my salt, black pepper, and curry powder. So we leave those spices to cook for a little bit. I'll mix them all together and leave them to cook. They are now well cooked. I add my spinach and I mix everything together. Then I close with the lid for them to cook for a little bit. You do not want to overcook the spinach. It needs to still be green. Not overcooked. You still need the nutrients there. You should not overcook vegetables. I'm giving the spinach and the minced meat a mix so that all the ingredients can get mixed well together and cook at the same time. There it is, my spinach is done. You can eat this with bread, pap, sadza, ugali, cassava, rice, potatoes. It can still go well together. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.